In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoCAD, how to find a lost drawing, quick and easy recovery tips. If your drawing suddenly disappears from view, don't panic. In AutoCAD, that usually means your geometry is still there, just shifted far off your current view or scaled way out. This can happen after an accidental pan, a very large zoom, or when an object gets placed at a distant coordinate. The good news is there's a simple, reliable way to bring everything back into view in just a couple of keystrokes. Here's the fix. Click into your drawing area so AutoCAD knows you're ready to type a command. Type zoom and press enter, then type E, which stands for extents, and press enter again. That's it. Zoom extents tells AutoCAD to find the outermost edges of all visible objects in your drawing and automatically adjust the view so everything fits perfectly on screen. You don't need to worry about capitalization, and using the spacebar works the same as enter if that's more comfortable for you. You'll see your screen jump to a view that includes all geometry AutoCAD recognizes in the current space. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. AutoCAD calculates the minimum box that encloses every visible object, lines, blocks, hatches, and more, and frames your view around that box. If something was way off in the distance, your drawing might appear smaller than you expect after the reset, because AutoCAD is fitting that distant object and your main work together. That's normal and simply confirms that everything is back within view. From there, you can continue working confidently, knowing your model is present and accounted for. This approach is helpful whether you're drafting in model space or looking through a viewport in a layout. The principle is the same. You're asking AutoCAD to show you the full extent of what exists in the active view. It's also a great first step when collaborating on files you didn't create. If someone else left stray geometry far from the origin, zoom extents will reveal it and restore orientation quickly. To recap, when your drawing seems to vanish, stay calm and use zoom, then E for extents and enter. It's a fast, dependable way to recenter your work without changing your geometry or altering your file. Keep this technique in your toolkit and you'll save time, reduce stress, and keep your workflow smooth whenever your view goes off the rails.